Dear viewers, today we learn from exercise 8.1, question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal 1 by root over 3, find the value of 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Number 2, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. 9 number solution. Given tan A is equal 1 by root over 3. This implies you have to draw a right triangle like this. Here, this is 90 degree, that means right angle. This is A, this is C. This is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. Then tan A means what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular means what? B, C. Base means what? A, B. This is equal 1 by root over 3. This is equal K, C. Then we'll take BC is equal 1K. AB is equal root over 3K. Then we have got here BC is 1K. AB is root over 3K. We have to find hypotenuse, this and this side. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse AC square is equal sum of the square of these two sides, BC square plus AB square. This implies AC square is equal BC is 1K whole square plus AB is root over 3K whole square. This implies AC square is equal 1K whole square means 1K square plus root over 3K square means 3K square. This implies AC square is equal 1K square plus 3K square, 4K square. This implies AC root over 4K square. The root of 4K square is 2K. Then we have found here this is 2K. And then now question number 1, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A means what? Here see the diagram. Sin A, this is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse, BC by AC. Cos C, this is C. Then we have to take this is perpendicular. Then cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Base BC by hypotenuse AC plus now cos A. This is acute angle A. Cos A means what? Base by hypotenuse. This is base, this is hypotenuse. AB by AC. Sin C. Sin C means what? This is angle, acute angle C. Then this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. Then sin C means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Now put the value of BC. BC is how much here given? BC is 1K. AC is how much? 2K. BC is how much? Same 1K. AC is how much? 2K plus AB is how much here? AB is root over 3K. AC is how much? 2K. AB is how much? Root over 3K. AC is how much? 2k. Now cut out this, cancel out. 1 means 1, 2 means 4, plus here root over 3 into root over 3 means 3, 2 into 2 means 4. Now take LCM, 4, 1 plus this 3, this is equal 4 by 4, this is equal 1. This is the result of question number 1. Now question number 2. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Now what is cos A? Here this is acute angle base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Base is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Now cos C. This is acute angle cos C. Then this is what? This is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Then cos C means what? Base by hypotenuse minus sin A. This is acute angle A. Then sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse, BC by AC. Now sin C. Sin C is what? This is acute angle, this is base, this is perpendicular. Then sin C means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Now put the value of AB. AB is how much? AB is here, see the diagram. AB is root over 3k. AC is how much? 2k. Here BC is how much? 1k. AC is how much? 2k. Minus BC is how much? 1k. AC is how much? 2k. AB is how much? Root over 3k. AC is how much? 2k. Now cancel out this and this, this and this. Now multiply root over 3 into 1, root over 3, 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 into root over 3 is root over 3, 2 2s are 4. Now that's why its subtraction is 0. This is the result of question number 2.